Welcome to our countdown of the top 8 high-powered home EV chargers of 2024. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Without further ado, let the countdown begin. Let's get started at number 8. EvoCharge. The EvoCharge Level 2 EV charger is a premier choice for fast and efficient home electric vehicle charging. With the capability to deliver up to 32 ampere of power, this charger can charge your EV up to 8 times faster than standard Level 1 chargers, providing up to 25 miles of range per hour of charging. The sleek and modern design of the EvoCharge EVSA not only looks great, but also ensures a seamless and simple charging experience. Just plug it in and let it do the work. Safety and reliability are paramount with the EvoCharge, as it is both UL and COOL listed, ensuring safe operation in your home. This versatile charger is compatible with any EV or plug-in hybrid vehicle available in the United States or Canada, making it a universally adaptable choice for any EV owner. Moreover, the EvoCharge Level 2 charger is eligible for various state, federal, and local utility rebates, which can help you save on both the purchase and installation costs of your charging station. Number 7. Grizzly Smart. The Grizzly Smart Level 2 EV charger is a robust and reliable charging solution, perfect for any electric vehicle owner. Equipped with an ANEMA 1450 plug and a 24-foot cable, this charger is built from the best-selling Grizzly design and made in Canada. It features a heavy-duty NEMA 4 metal enclosure that ensures durability in any indoor or outdoor condition. The charger is now equipped with a new thinner cable and a heavy-duty EasyAV plug holster for added convenience. Wi-Fi connectivity enhances the Grizzly E Smart Charger, allowing real-time charging monitoring, scheduling, detailed energy consumption statistics, updates, diagnostics, and more via the Grizzly Connect software. Despite its advanced features, the charger can function seamlessly with or without an online connection, offering flexibility and reliability. Number 6. Emporia. The Emporia Level 2 EV charger offers an award-winning charging performance, earning accolades such as the Best Smart EV Home Charger by MotorTrend and the Best EV Charger of 2024 from Inside EVs and State of Charge. This high-powered charger features a 48 ampere output and 240-volt operation, delivering efficient and speedy charging for any electric vehicle. It comes equipped with a 24-foot cable and NEMA 1450 plug, ensuring versatile installation options. You can use it as pre-configured for NEMA Type 1450p compliant installations for up to 40A, or convert it to hardwired for up to 48 ampere, with professional installation recommended for optimal safety and performance. Smart charging capabilities set the Emporia Level 2 EV charger apart. By connecting via 2.4GZ Wi-Fi, you can access real-time energy data and manage your charging sessions from your mobile device. This allows you to schedule charging sessions to take advantage of optimal utility rates and performance, making your EV charging more efficient and cost-effective. Number 5. Juicebox 40. The Juicebox 40 Smart Electric Vehicle Charging Station stands out. This Level 2 EVSA delivers up to 7 times faster charging with its 40 ampere 9.6 kilowatt output, ensuring quick and efficient charging for your electric vehicle. Designed for both indoor and outdoor installations, the Juicebox 40 includes a built-in cable rack and security lock, and it is UL listed and ENERGY-YS TAR certified, guaranteeing safety and energy efficiency. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty for normal residential use, it offers reliable performance. Convenient Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to manage your charging remotely through the free JuiceNet app. With this app, you can control and monitor charging sessions, receive notifications when your car is fully charged, set reminders to charge, and more. The charging station also features dynamic LED lights that show the charging status at a glance and supports voice control via Amazon Echo and Alexa for added convenience. Number 4. Autel MaxiCharger. The Autel MaxiCharger is an outstanding option. This Level 2 charging station operates at 240 volts, allowing it to charge any electric vehicle or plug-in hybrid up to 7 times faster than a standard Level 1 outlet charger. With both NEMA 650 and 1450 plug options and a power output range from 6 ampere to 40 ampere, you can customize the charging speed to suit your lifestyle and home, avoiding costly electrical upgrades. The AutoCharge mobile app offers smart and convenient management of your EV charging. This advanced app allows you to track, manage, schedule, and optimize your charging sessions to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates, ensuring cost-efficient charging. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet options, ensuring your MaxiCharger stays up to date with automatic over-the-air firmware updates. Additionally, the optional start and stop RFID card functionality adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized use. Number 3. Tesla Universal Wall Connector. The Tesla Universal Wall Connector is an excellent choice. Designed for universal compatibility, it seamlessly transitions between NSES and J1772 connectors, making it suitable for all major North American EVs, including Tesla vehicles. Offering impressive charging speeds, this Level 2 charger provides up to 44 miles of range per hour, with an output of up to 11.5 kilowatt or 48 ampere, depending on your Tesla model and breaker size. Connecting the wall connector to a local Wi-Fi network unlocks additional benefits, such as over-the-air firmware updates for continuous product improvements and remote access control via the app. This connectivity ensures your charger remains up to date with the latest features and enhancements. Number 2. ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2. For a reliable and flexible home EV charging solution, consider the ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 EV charger. Designed to connect to NEMA 1450 outlet, this 240-volt charge station is compatible with all electric vehicle models, ensuring a versatile charging experience. ChargePoint is renowned for building innovative and dependable EV charging stations, and the Home Flex is no exception. With access to 24/7 support and an expansive network of charging stations across North America via the ChargePoint app, you can charge with confidence wherever you are. The ChargePoint mobile app enhances your charging experience by offering in-depth, user-friendly control over your charger. You can easily manage settings, set reminders, connect to smart home devices, locate charging stations, and access valuable charging data and information. The app keeps you updated with its latest features, ensuring you always have the best tools at your fingertips. Number 1. Wallbox Pulsar Plus Level 2. The Wallbox Pulsar Plus Level 2 EV charger is your answer. This Energy Star certified charger operates at 240 volts, delivering Level 2 charging speeds that are up to 8 times faster than traditional Level 1 chargers. With adjustable power settings ranging from 16 to 48 ampere and ANEMA Type 4 rating, this charger is designed to meet all your charging needs, both indoors and outdoors. What sets the Wallbox Pulsar Plus apart is its advanced connectivity and smart features. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you can control and monitor your charging from anywhere using the MyWallbox app. This app allows you to view real-time data and schedule your charging sessions to take advantage of cheaper utility rates. Additionally, the Pulsar Plus integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home, enabling convenient voice control. Thanks for tuning in to our countdown of the top 8 high-powered home EV chargers of 2024. We hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect charging solution for your electric vehicle. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time,